Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking about LG refrigerators and a loud humming or buzzing sound that could possibly be waking you up in the middle of the night. So with that said, let's start with the very basic thing first. Is your ice machine in use? And what I mean by that is a water line hooked up to the refrigerator. Are you making ice with your ice machine? If not, you need to turn that unit off, because in the event that you have no water line hooked up to the refrigerator and that ice bin is on, it's attempting to make ice without water, which can lead to a humming or buzzing sound. Let's check it out. Here's our refrigerator. Down at the bottom is the freezer, and inside, let's take a look. As you can see right here, that is your ice maker, and look at the switch. It is in the off position because, again, we are not using our ice maker to create ice. So we have it in the off position. In the event that your ice bin is in the freezer and you are making ice, obviously it will be on. However, in the event that you are not using your ice maker to create ice, nor do you have a water line even hooked up to your refrigerator, you must turn this switch to the off position. That will prevent the ice maker from trying to make ice without water in the entire system. Not good. That's it. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell, because once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again.